NSIC Hyderabad Technical Service Center offering various skill-oriented training program. So we are very happy to inform that NSIC Hyderabad recently got affiliation from the SBTT, State Board of Technical Education and Training, State Government of Telangana, safety course for 1 year duration. And what is the specialty of the safety course is, those who have been going to complete 1 year successful course on safety course will be having the opportunity to work in the industries. It may be manufacturing industries, it may be service industries. They can able to start the career as a safety officer. What we are seeing in right now here, we have been installed at 1 kilowatt solar PV plant, especially for running power. The capacity of each panel is 250 watts. We are connected all the panels in series, so we are getting the total DC capacity of the 1 kilowatt is being connected to my inverter. The inverter setup is kept inside the thing where the student can able to install it. They can see practically how much power is coming. We are not going to see only the theoretical. We are going to make the student understand practical. After completion of training, we are giving the confidence the student can do the installation for the rooftop, and they can start the business. Thereby the people can able to get the employment in industries, as well as they can start the own business. Here we can see that we are having set up on solar water rating system also. The minimum capacity for the residential purpose will be 100 liter per capacity. The people who have been training in this NSIC can able to install that own thermal water rating system in their house, and we are having the solar street lighting system where we can have the variety of application in the solar system. We are covering all the application which is demand in the industries, and we are giving full-fledged training on this all the aspects of solar PV system. The people who have been undergoing the training on 6-month course on solar PV technology, we are 100% assisting for getting the job in the solar. All the participants, all the target audience, kindly make use of our NSIC service and get employed. As well as if you want to have startup the industries, NSIC will support in getting the self-employment, and financial support will be supported through NSIC. Here we are giving training on electrician course. Here we made customized training setup called as domestic wiring panel. The people who are getting trained here will be able to do the practical wiring for the residential thing. So we made a setup such a way that people who are coming here can able to understand how to do the wiring for the domestic thing, especially tube light as well as domestic load, MCB, doing the connection for energy meter. My setup for making the student understand the automation, we made the tank of automation where we are going to see the process stack automation, which has been completely designed by our NSIC team, electrical department. Here we can see the prototype. The person is going, if the person is going to give the command for start command, the water from the tank will start flowing from the one tank to second tank, and water will get filled in the second tank. When the level of the water is reached in the tank number 2, it will be sensed by the flow switch. When the flow switch is getting sensed, then the tank of water will be getting stopped, the motor will stop, thereby the water will going to not get overflow, and it will be again will be having one heater will start heating the water in this tank. The temperature of the heater will be sensed by the temperature controller. When temperature controller is giving the command for stopping the heater, means the heater will stop heating the thing, and the water will start unloading from the tank number 2 to tank number 1. It is a small prototype we are designing in our lab purpose, where it can able to meet the industrial standard, and we are making the student to do the own logic, practice, troubleshooting and wiring. We can see this kind of customized setup we cannot able to see anywhere else in the training center. In NSIC Hyderabad, we are making this unique training program where we are making the student to understand complete concept of electrical wiring as well as automation. Right now see that the flow switch has been physically operated by our expert, and it has been stopped it. Now we can see that the heater start heating the thing. Whenever we are making the loose of flow switch, the water will start flowing from the tank number 2. This also we are having a model of Delta DVP SS2. This is having around 8 input and 6 output, and extension model having 16 input as well as 8 DO output. This complete setup panel of people can able to do the programming, and they can interface with the system where logic everything they can download it, they can troubleshoot it, they can do the different industrial application of this thing. When customized water filling application, what we are seeing in real-time application like in Coca-Cola or Pepsi, it is a small prototype we have created in our lab for making the student to understand how the water filling is happening in the real-time environment. Here the application of the electric engineers plays a vital role, how the automation can be applied in the process automation. That's the reason we created a setup. It is having the combination of electrical, pneumatic, electro-pneumatic and process control like PLC. Here making the logic such a the bottle will come from the loading station, will go to the filling station. After filling the thing, the component will coming to the unloading station. This complete sequence of operation is done by using the PLC. Here we can see the customized training setup on how the real-time apartment electric wiring can be done. We can see the previously we done the individual wiring of light, tubelight, everything has been seen in previous thing. Once the student has been completed preliminary wiring diagram on the basic electric wiring panel, we are making the student to do the complete wiring on this setup. It is looking like a apartment wiring where we can see that typical industrial domestic wiring, where we can see the 2-bedroom as well as living room as well as your toilet and kitchen, everything will be given here. Here what you have to do means student has to select the corresponding wiring cages as well as switches and socket, and we are making the student to do complete wiring. And once the student has completed this complete wiring setup, they can able to do the complete wiring for the residential application. It is the beauty of this training program. In this 6 months, we are making the student to do complete end-to-end wire. For example, starting from the drilling as well as wiring crimping as well as do the complete setup of wiring will be done by using this training program. And we are making the student to have the full confidence once they are given complete this training on this setup on this apartment wiring. So here we are giving training on solar PV system. In that one part we are making to understand what is the need of tracking system, because tracking system going to play the vital role for making the maximum output from the solar PV system. To make this concept, we are having the customized training setup where people can able to understand what will happen if you are keeping the tracking system in operation as well as without operation. To make this thing, we are having the training setup where the panel will try to move from east to west as well as north to south. This complete 2-directional axis control will be demonstrated to the student. Based upon the requirement, they can select the what type of axis they need, whether to go for single axis or double axis system. This practical setup we are having the thing, it will be covered in the 6-month training on solar PV system. Training on 1-year course on industrial safety. It will be affiliated with the SBTT. We are giving a training on how to make the safety practice to be followed in any manufacturing industries, starting with the thing how to use the basic PPE kit, starting from how to use the earmuff and what is the need of your safety helmet and goggles. Everything will be given training to the participant, and what is the impact of fire address system as well as construction safety, chemical safety will be covered in this 1 year of duration thing. NSCC having the full-fledged lab on demonstrating the safety aspects in the thing. We are very happy to inform that we have been successfully complete the first batch on industrial safety, and we got 100% result from SBTT on industrial safety. Environment. Here we have created the critical item which we can see in the industry called as hydraulic power pack. It will be working on the fluid mediums called as hydraulic oil, and it can be interacted with the PLC, and again it can be the motor speed can be controlled using the VFD. The complete setup we kept it for here for making the student to understand practical things what we can see in the industry. We can see the customized setup of here where people can able to plug and place. If you want to remove this component, we can plug it and we can design circuit. This is very costly equipment. Before going for circuit finalizing, the prototype will be designed in this setup.